Hello there, I'm Natalie, and I'm lazy. A jam lazy. Raise your hand if you're lazy. I won't judge you. In this case, if that's you, give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna show you my ride or die lazy life hacks for early school mornings. Slay those mornings. But hold up, I'm doing a huge giveaway where I'm giving one lucky subscriber a Canon camera. To enter, just subscribe to be a part of the family by clicking this button right over here. Come on, don't be lazy. Click it. And that's it. It's that simple. I challenge you guys to get this video to 200,000 thumbs up and show with your thumbs who runs the world. Lazy people. Who runs the world? Lazy people. I dare you to turn this to this by clicking below the thumbs up. I want to give a huge shout out to Olivia for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Here's a virtual hug, girl. So if you want a shout out in my next video, just comment below hashtag notification squad, and if you're here in the first 30 minutes, I will be picking one of you, so make sure you have notifications turned on and you are here early. Add me on Instagram because I'm currently doing a huge giveaway where I'm giving away my favorite makeup, Polaroid, stationery, basically Natalie's essentials to you. And let's get on to this video. What? I literally just closed my eyes. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Ooh. Okay, you know what? Let me just curl up for a moment. Oh, that feels nice. And then I'll get up. For some morning motivation, start by turning up the thermostat to a comfortable temperature. Your bed is so warm and cozy that you want to try and recreate that same environment in your room. Also, put on some warm socks, have a cozy sweater by your side, and you're ready to take on the day. If you're still feeling sleepy and want something to make you feel more awake and refreshed, dunk your face in sparkling water. Yeah, you heard right. Not only is this an awesome skincare hack, but it's going to help you wash out pores without being harsh. Sensation will act like micro brushes to help cleanse your skin. All those little bubbles will literally finish waking you up, and you can try this once a week, but if you do have acne, try to avoid this as the carbonated water may irritate your acne. If your skin is looking a little dull, simply put your face mask in the fridge. In the morning, they will be cold and act as a depuffing and brightening face mask, so you'll feel much more awake and your skin will reflect the same thing. If you hate brushing your teeth in the morning because, well, I mean, who really likes to eat breakfast with the taste of mint in their mouths? Not me. So an awesome morning hack I use every day is to brush my teeth with cinnamon paste. The best part is cinnamon won't take the original taste out of anything you have in the morning. So now you can enjoy your breakfast and have squeaky clean teeth. Also, putting on some happy music, specifically movie or gaming music, has shown to keep you focused and work at a faster pace, meaning you'll get ready faster without even knowing it. And for extra morning motivation, keep a dry erase marker at your mirror and write a positive quote for the day. Have this quote be your focus and motivate you to live it to the fullest. A feel-good hack is to hydrate yourself. This is so important and can be overlooked, but if you just make yourself 1 cup of warm water with lemon, it not only makes you feel good, but will brighten up your skin, it'll prevent you from getting acne, not to mention it will help you cleanse your body every morning, if you know what I mean. Sometimes there's those constipated mornings. If you're in a hurry every morning and you can't be bothered with looking for ponytails, no worries. An easy organizational hack to store them is to use a pill container. You can arrange them by colors, and if you sleep on the hairstyle the night before, when you take them off in the morning, you will get the prettiest waves for the day. It's a super simple hair hack, especially if you're always running late for school. Now you can look and feel pretty. And of course, to not ruin your beautiful wavy hair, use a shower cap like this cute one to prevent any water from going into your beautiful waves. Now it's shower time. If you really want to wake up in the mornings, take a really cold shower. Ice cold. There are so many benefits to taking a cold shower, like shiny hair and skin, and it will for sure make you wake up. The easiest way to have a productive morning is to make less decisions every morning, and one of those starts with what you wear. So buy a shoe storage organizer, label it by days, and pre-pick out your outfits. You can also label it by the way you want to feel, cute, comfy, casual, and I promise you this clothing hack will always make you feel your best. To look more awake, store your moisturizer in the fridge, that way when you apply it on your eyes and face, it will soothe any redness or puffiness. Use a foundation stick to apply your makeup on faster. Put dots all over your face and blend it in to help make your face look more youthful and not caked on. With the remaining product on the brush, use this as primer for your eyelids. Eyebrows can take forever, so a quick makeup hack is to use the spoolie of the eyebrow pencil you use every day. The chances are there's already a ton of product on the spoolie, so if you brush it in, it will create a full brow without so much precision. Your eyebrows will look effortless and natural. A 2-in-1 to not use too many products and get ready fast is to use your contour powder as a very subtle eyeshadow on your eyes. It will complement your entire makeup look because the color is literally the same, so you'll look much more balanced. If you want to spice up your makeup look a little bit and make it more glam, the easiest way to create a smoky eye is to use a cream shadow. It takes no effort to blend the sides and you don't even need brushes. Talk about a simple get ready with ya. Apply your mascara and bam, your eye look is complete. For the face, another makeup product you can double on is a lip balm. Use a not so pigmented one and put a little dots all over your face. Then with the warmth of your fingers, rub it in. This will give your face some color and make you look more blushed. With the same lip balm, use it on your lips and smudge it on with your fingers for a very natural school look. For a little dazzle, put highlighter on your brow bone, the tip of your nose, the inner corner of your eyes, and your cupid's bow. And pat some highlighter onto your cheeks. And for fuller looking lips, apply some highlighter to your bottom middle lip. And you're ready for breakfast. A quick food hack for 1-minute oats is to pour some oatmeal into a mug. Add some almond milk and microwave for 2 minutes. Then top it off with some of your favorite berries for a delicious to-go breakfast. Another quick 1-minute breakfast idea is to toast some bread, add some avocado, and a pinch of salt. Both of these options are quick, healthy, and will make you feel full until lunchtime. And right before you head out to school, here's a quick DIY hack to always help you remember everything. Glue pictures of words to a magnet and hang on a board right beside your door. Before you head out, double check and move everything you completed from the to-dos to the dones. That way you'll never forget your lunch, homework, project, or any important things ever again. Hey Rosalina. Yeah, sorry, no, I can't go. I'm just really busy. Okay, call me later. Bye. Okay, I'm just lazy. And so are you. So if you want to continue being lazy, check out my last video right over here by clicking it, where I show you some amazing DIY school hacks that honestly will help you ace your exam. Also, subscribe right over here by clicking on my face so that you can see some other amazing life hack videos. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed, and like I said, I'm very busy, so food awaits. I gotta go. Don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye!